Hello everyone, I am very glad to present a demo for our project which is called Online Web Banking Unobank. And let's look on our web page. Here you can see login page. Let's use our test credentials to log in to some test account. And here you can see first name and last name, card ID, some functionality like buttons which you can use for daily statistics, for monthly statistic. Here is your balance, also some buttons for money transactions, like create a transaction on another card and uh, get a deposit from the bank. Here you can see some table of transactions sorted in descending order. Here is date, receiver card ID, amount of money, and status of the transactions. And of course, you can use load more button to get other transactions. So let's create a new account and let's input some information. And let's copy it for using during login. Date of birth and any word for address. And it is yes. And let's use our new credentials. So here it is. Use a new account, and it is automatically assigned 500 hryvnias for this account. And we can make some money transactions. So let's get a deposit from our bank. Let's take 250 hryvnias. You don't need to reload the page. Here we use React app, and it will be displayed automatically. So here it is, and status of the transactions also displayed on the table of transactions. We also can send money on another account. Let's use our test account in that case, and let's send, for example, 500 hryvnias. Also, you don't need to reload the page. And transactions is displayed on the table of transactions. Also, it is displayed here. We also can use some extra functionality related to statistics. Firstly, it is daily statistics. Let's input some date range, like this one. And here we can get some statistics for that period. Also, we can use some monthly statistics. We can use, for example, such range and also get a sum of all spendings where this card ID is sender. Um, Also, we have some statistics related to general bank statistics. And it can be accessed only by admins and people who know some token. To create the token, let's use Postman. We input some extra credentials, get access token, and use it as parameter for our get response on the API. You use it here and copy the link and paste in the web browser. And here is a report with general event statistics. Here you can see number of transactions for the last 3 months. It is plotly plot. You can it is pretty dynamic. You can zoom in, zoom out, move your cursor on some point and get the value of that point. Some number of unique users for the last 3 months is the same idea. Here you can see, for example, 306 users and capital turnover for the last 3 months. Also, here you can see 132,000 hryvnias. If we speak about some logging and observability of our system, here I can see some CloudWatch logs. We have logs for all pods in our Kubernetes. And for example, here is logs from our service. We can open that log, see some details about that log. And also we can look at some dashboards related to our system. Here is dashboard for orchestrator service. Here is request rate, successful, failed responses, some percentiles for latency, total memory usage, total CPU usage, and so on. Also, we have a dashboard for general cluster observability like number of nodes, number of posts, cost, some CPU utilization, memory utilization, and so on. So thank you for attention.